If your family has always struggled financially, you, my friend, are here to break the cycle. Financial freedom is not only possible for you, it's already on your doorstep. And yes, you might even become the richest person in your family. I don't believe in coincidences. I asked God, who will this be sent to? Who should see this video? And it looks like you are here. I haven't had a job in over 8 years, but I have more money than I did even when I worked at Google. So no, you don't need to work your ass off in a dead-end office job to make money. I have written down here 3 steps that you can finally achieve financial freedom, specifically for you guys who are watching this video. The third step I feel is not talked about enough for people who want abundance, but so important, so juicy, so stay around for that. Step 1 is to shift to an identity of abundance. And how do you do that? This might seem so woo-woo. Now think of yourself as 2 different people. So you have the old you that you are currently, and then you have the new abundant you. Okay, you can even draw them out. And then you want to describe the current you, the current old beliefs, struggling with money you, and then write out the same but for the abundant you. What are their habits, their beliefs? For example, if the current you is watching 2 hours of shorts every day, 1 hour gaming on your PlayStation, 2 hours of Netflix every day, ask yourself, is the abundant you doing the same? Or perhaps they're just doing 5 minutes of scrolling on social media and the rest they are actually creating content themselves, sharing their gifts, being in abundance, sharing freely. And instead of watching 2 hours of Netflix, maybe they're watching 1 episode of a show and the rest is reading a self-improvement book or a business book to further their knowledge, to refine their craft. If the current you is sleeping in until 11, maybe the abundant you wakes up at 7 and has a nourishing morning routine. Then once you have these 2 written down, compare. Okay, what are the difference? Perhaps one is more confident, believes in their worth, while the other one is more focused on the past, victimhood. See, how can you bridge that gap? How can you get to that abundant version of you? Because you can't take the old person with you, the old identity with you, if you want financial freedom. So that is step 1. And now let's move on to step 2. And step 2 is to find your purpose. And this is because the universe works on energetic exchange. So if you just take, you're codependent on the government, which many people are here in the UK. They do like a whole career of just popping out children so they get more benefits from the States. And if you're depressed, you get more money and like you're just completely codependent. Or you're completely codependent on a partner and you don't make any income whatsoever yourself. But if you want true abundance and not having to rely on others, then you have to give yourself in some way or form. So think about how can you give? And most people will look at their profession and think, okay, I have a background in accounting, so I could help people with that. I could create a YouTube channel about accounting. And then they get all motivated, they start their YouTube channel, they make a few videos, and then they burn out because they don't actually enjoy what their background is, what their professional experience is. This was me. I thought I wanted to start a translation agency because I had experience in translation. Every time I tried to start something based on just previous experience, I would eventually burn out because I hated it so much. So that is why you gotta find your purpose, because this is something that not only are you good at, but it lights you up. You enjoy sharing it, and that is so important. So think about like, what are you nerdy about? What do you love reading books about? What do people come to you for advice? Is it relationship problems? Is it cooking? What is it? This is a clue to your purpose. And I actually have a free guide. It takes less than 2 hours to complete. You can find it in the description below, my free purpose guide. And step 3 is to turn your purpose into passive income. And I feel like not enough people are talking about this. The beauty of passive income, especially as a spiritual seeker. Why do we only hear this in the finance world? It's so important as a spiritual seeker to have passive income because we go through a lot of shit, a lot of initiations, a lot of hermit mode, depressions, activations. So we can't just go, trade our time for money. We need to have passive income coming in when we are sleeping. That is my opinion. I haven't had a job for 8 years. I have been only having passive income. Now, how do you turn your purpose into passive income? My favorite way is to become a content creator because that gives you several passive incomes. So you have ad revenue from YouTube. If you recommend a product and you sign up to their affiliate program, every time somebody clicks through that link, you get a commission. So affiliate income. income. You should have an affiliate link in your YouTube description. And then also sell a course, create a course or a coaching program, right? I have Nomad Freedom Academy where I teach people how to become a content creator. I mentioned that. You might have noticed that I mentioned this in every single video. This is how I don't need to have a job. So you want to have a call to action in every single video that you create, every single content. So if you want to become a chef, great, do that, but also create YouTube videos with recipes, your favorite, most delicious recipes, and create a course or a cooking certification, and then recommend your cooking ware in your YouTube description, right? What is your favorite pan, your favorite blender? Now, I'm not saying this is easy. It takes time, but trust me, once you get there, it's worth it. You never have to listen to a boss ever again. You become your own boss. You become the own boss of not only your work life, but your life. Me and my partner, we just went on a 3-week trip to Poland and Stockholm. We stayed in a beautiful spa hotel, didn't have to work, don't have to ask a boss for permission. Freedom is your birthright. And if this feels overwhelming, where to start with your purpose, your business, clarify how that should look like, then book a free business clarity call, a link in the description. You're not just going to make more money. You're going to rewrite your family's financial story. You're going to prove to yourself and everyone watching that financial freedom isn't a dream. It's your destiny. So step into your gifts. Take inspired action. Claim the abundant identity that's already waiting for you. The richest version of you is just around the corner. Next up, watch my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People, so you can finally take action on this. Messy action, like I always say, is so important. Love you and see you in the next one.